guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today is another day about looking after health, and I will show you what I mean. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hi guys, so I just got home from Life Vitality Clinic and I feel so revitalized. As what they said, going to Life Vitality will reset, restore, and revitalize your health and quality of life. And yes, I've been going to May for years now, and I can say that she helps me a lot in whatever I feel like tiredness, soreness, and all that. And today she did that thing on my tummy, putting some needles on my tummy, and she said it's because of the biological changes in the hormones, so that will help me to stay healthy. I'm trying, we have to stay healthy, especially nowadays because of the pandemic. So May offers a lot of services in their clinic. Here it says they have traditional Chinese medicine, traditional acupuncture, which I had a while ago, the acupuncture, the cupping, and also like heat therapy, and that one that was done on my tummy. Also critical illness recovery, dietary guidance and treatment, infertility, not the reason why I go there, and others, right? So in this little booklet or pamphlet, whatever you call this, they offer biomeridian system assessment and colon hydrotherapy, vital massage therapy. So this is one of my favorite services from there. Vital massage therapy, and there's ear coning, acupuncture, the one that I had a while ago. Of course, nutritional consultation, and they uses, all natural products. Traditional Chinese medicine, that's what I've mentioned a while ago. Meridian system massage therapy. There is also Tai Chi, and I think Qi Gong class. There's also yoga and meditation class, and there's also dance class. If I'm close to May and if I have time, I would like to join this dance class because I like to dance when nobody's watching. So guys, to those of you who lives here in Toronto or who lives here in Ontario, you guys can go to May and try all the services that she offers because she's very, very good. I will also put the link below of her website, right? It says here www.lifevitality.ca. So I put it down, guys, in the description. So don't forget to click that. Visit her location in Vaughan, Ontario. So to those that are not here, I'm sorry, but hopefully you learned something from this too. All right, guys, so that's it. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this vlog. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Till next time, bye-bye.